Before you buy Ticket Tailor, there are a few important things you should know. While it's one of the more affordable event ticketing platforms out there, it's not without its nuances. So, if you're considering using Ticket Tailor for your next event, stick around. This video will save you time and money by breaking down what you need to know before making the purchase. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you'll want to know is that Ticket Tailor's pricing model is incredibly straightforward. Unlike other platforms, which often charge per ticket fees, Ticket Tailor has a flat rate pricing structure. This means you won't get hit with surprise charges as your event grows. For small to medium events, this can be a major cost saver, especially if you're looking to keep things simple and transparent. Next thing, Ticket Tailor is built to scale. Whether you're hosting an intimate gathering or a large conference, it's designed to handle events of all sizes without breaking the bank. Unlike competitors like Eventbrite, which can have a lot of extra features you may not need, Ticket Tailor focuses on giving you what you really need: flexibility and affordability. You won't be paying for features you'll never use. The third thing to know about Ticket Tailor is its integrations. It syncs well with third-party tools like MailChimp, Google Analytics, and Zapier, giving you seamless automation options. This is a big deal, especially if you're managing your event marketing or follow-ups on a bigger scale. If you're used to using platforms like Eventbrite, you might be surprised at just how flexible Ticket Tailor can be with these integrations. The fourth thing, you get full control over your event branding. From custom registration pages to the ticket design, you can make it all match your brand perfectly. This is where Ticket Tailor really outshines some of the more generic event platforms. Your customers won't feel like they're navigating a cookie-cutter event site, and you'll have the power to ensure your brand shines through from start to finish. Next up, let's talk about customer support. Ticket Tailor offers great support options through email and their extensive help center. But unlike some competitors like Eventbrite, where support can sometimes feel like a bit of a hassle, Ticket Tailor's team is known for being more accessible and responsive. If you're new to the platform, they've got your back, ensuring you get help when you need it without wasting time in a queue. The sixth thing to consider is the fee structure. As mentioned earlier, Ticket Tailor is known for its transparency, but it's worth highlighting that they charge a minimal fee on the tickets sold, which is extremely competitive when compared to larger event platforms. If you're an organizer looking to avoid hefty service fees eating into your event profits, Ticket Tailor's approach will feel like a breath of fresh air. And the seventh thing you need to know is that Ticket Tailor is completely free to try out. Unlike some platforms that lock you into a paid plan from the get-go, Ticket Tailor lets you explore the full platform with no strings attached. You can see firsthand how it works for your event before committing to anything. So if you want to test it out, click the first link in the description below for an exclusive free trial and experience the benefits yourself. Now, if you're convinced this could be the ticketing solution you need, I recommend checking out Ticket Tailor through the link in the description below to get the best free trial offer and unlock some exclusive benefits for your events.